Hello guys, welcome to the very first video on this channel. I will be teaching you Tamil through English. And today's video is about short sentences which you can use while feeling hungry. In the first column you see words or phrases as it is written in Tamil. And by the way, this is how we write Tamil in Tamil if you don't know about that. And from the second column we will see the English pronunciation of this Tamil words or phrases, and in the third column you will see the English translation for each of these phrases. Okay, let's begin with the first word, hunger itself. So hunger in Tamil is pasi. It's very easy, pasi. And to say I am hungry, you can simply say pasikkudu. I repeat again, pasikkudu. Or you can also say enakku pasikkudu. Here enakku means for me. If you say the word pasikkudu, it's already enough. It means I'm hungry. But if you would like to add the word enakku, you can add it and say enakku pasikkudu. And if they want to ask how is it, how is the food, in Tamil it would sound like this. It would be eppadi irukku. Eppadi irukku. Eppadi is how. Eppadi irukku is how is it. And if you want to say it's good, you should say nalla irukku. Nalla irukku. And if you want to say that it's very good, then you just add the word very to the beginning and say romba nalla irukku. Romba means very. Nalla is good. And together it makes it's very good. Or else you can also say miga nalla irukku. Miga, it's a bit more professional than romba. Miga is maybe more used in countries like Sri Lanka, where they use more sustained words. But then know that either romba or miga, everybody will understand what you're saying. And I would like to add a point over here. Tamil is a very ancient language, so it is a very rich language. It has a lot of synonyms, so you can just pick the word which you are able to remember and pronounce easily and just use that. And the good point is all people who speak Tamil, they understand most of the synonyms, so you don't need to worry about that. Moving on to the next word, how much. If you would like to ask how much is this food in a shop or in a restaurant, for example, you can simply ask evalo. It's very easy, evalo. So when we use the word how just alone, it's actually eppadi. Eppadi is how. But when you say how much, it makes one single word and it is evalo. So just by saying this one word evalo, it means how much. If you want to say how alone, you should say eppadi. And then if you want to precise how much is this, for the word this, in Tamil it's idu. So you should say idu evalo. Or you can also switch the words and say evalo idu, and both are correct. Both works. And if you want to ask how much is that, that is adu. So this is idu and that is adu. So how much is that would be adu evalo, or also evalo adu. Both works. In the beginning, if you find it difficult to remember adu and idu, you can simply point out with your finger and ask evlo. And once you are done with eating, and if somebody is serving you more food, to say it's enough, you say podum. 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 You can say podum and it wouldn't sound impolite. If you want to be a bit more polite, then you can add thank you to it. And thank you in Tamil is nandri. 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 So it would make podum nandri. And in any case, at the end when you want to say thank you is nandri. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hoped it helped you to learn some vocabulary, and I will continue to post similar videos like this. It can be videos like this with the explanation for some words and sentences from Tamil to English, or it can also be videos where I explain the context in which you can use those words. And you guys can also see some videos where you learn writing of Tamil alphabet. So I hope it helped you, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and good luck with learning Tamil. Nandri.